Hello everyone, it's Saturday morning and just wanted to give you a quick update on a couple of things. First of all, it looks like I've been able to fix the technical difficulties that were there for the last couple of weeks. If you've ever dealt with Windows 10 and a new computer, you'll know that some things are not as simple as they look, but hopefully we're good to go. And this may be a slight test to see if that works. So thank you for those that have either watched or joined for the last couple of weeks on our office hour. I think we've got that squared away now. And that'll be, again, this Thursday, 9 p.m. BYU, Idaho, or Mountain Daylight Time. So that's item number one. And again, thank you for your patience on that. Item number two is today is the day our first Doohickeys assignment is due. We've been checking in with people, and it looks like that hopefully is going well for every group. And appreciate your diligence on that. The first one is the hardest. They get easier as they go. Third thing is that we are about a third of the way through the class already, and hopefully everybody's doing well. Grades are looking good, and I'm doing some grading today. So hopefully that's doing okay with you. And I think as far as I know, fourth item is that there aren't any major additional technical difficulties. Everybody seems to be doing well and getting things done and making things happen and joining groups and those type of things. If there are, keep plugging away, just keep working at those and you'll get them. Keep in mind, in today's world where things are so digital and so video based, it's going to be more and more this trend, so it's good for you to learn those type of things. So the last thing I want to give you is a bit of encouragement. Sometimes about this time in the class, people get bogged down, other classes have other demands, and just life kind of just piles in. It starts about now, and it ends at the end of the semester, but it starts about now, and it really gets to where the semester gets tough. I have a couple pieces of advice. First of all, is the best thing you can do is keep trying. I jokingly talked to one of my students that it's okay to get and aim for a B. Sometimes there are assignments in our class or other classes that you may just need to do minor work in to get the basic credit. And or sometimes even, I dare say it, skip an assignment. If you need to do that to keep balance with your other classes or with life, that's not the end of the world. What people expect is they have to be perfect, and then when they can't be perfect, they kind of crash. And the worst thing you can do is just stop doing work. Even if you're doing C-level work, it'll be at least a passing grade in the class, but dropping a class means you got to start the whole thing over and all the work that goes with that. So this is meaning to be a pep talk. I hope that is. It's just keep persevering. Just push through, stay with your groups, rely on your groups for support. They're there to be friends, support, associates, comrades, you name it, and rely on family and others for support as well. In addition, I firmly believe and know that when we ask Heavenly Father and look for the enabling power of Jesus Christ's atonement, He can expand our capacities and help us carry the burdens that we're called to bear. And yes, school is a burden. It's a joy many times, but it's also a burden many times. And if you ask Heavenly Father through Son Jesus Christ for an extra portion of the enabling power of the atonement to strengthen your mind, to assist with other duties in your life that you may be struggling with, or just to expand your capacity to go to school and finish, I guarantee that you'll get help. It may not be dramatic, it may not be right away, but I guarantee you'll get help. That's how I do what I do. I work 60 hours a week, and BYU, Idaho on top of that is very difficult sometimes, but I know that that power of the atonement will help you. So hopefully these thoughts will be beneficial as you have maybe a busy Saturday putting the papers together. Appreciate all of you. Thanks for all you're doing, and hopefully this video comes through, and we will talk to you next Thursday.